There are three actions that can be taken with a file attachment object, and the access rules will control which of those can and cannot be done. A file can be attached, detached, or downloaded from the object. For clarity, detached in this case means deleted from the object. We have a simple example form here to demonstrate the different access field states for a file attachment object. Ordinarily, the state of the object would be set when a form is opened based on the current workflow stage and the role of the person viewing the form. But for ease of demonstration, we will change the field states on the press of the different buttons. To start with, we will put the object into the normal state. With normal being the state, it is possible to attach a new file. It is also possible to download a copy of that file. And it's possible to detach or delete the file. I'm going to leave that file attached for the next part of the demonstration, which will start by setting the state of the object to read-only. Now you will see that it's no longer possible to detach the file. It would also not be possible to attach a new file if the object didn't already have one attached, but it is still possible to download a copy of the file. Let's now set the state to disabled. When disabled, it's not possible to attach, detach, or download the files. Although you have the freedom to set whatever rules you want, it would be common to set the state of a file attachment object to normal when you are expecting files to be attached, set to read-only when existing files need to be downloaded only, and set to disabled or hidden when you don't want any access to the object.